today and we have a lot to do, but trust me, just small. I'm not even gonna kill myself. So I'm going to start with, washing this toilet downstairs. Then I go into the laundry and put some clothes inside the washing machine and then quickly do other things. Well, I've done a few things that I didn't put on camera. It just occurred to me I should take you guys through what part of my Saturday looks like. So this is the toilet part. Let's do the toilet downstairs. We'll still go upstairs. Maybe the visitor's toilet today or something. Maybe we'll go upstairs. So guys, like I said in the introduction of the video, what I'm doing today is just a Saturday. Well, I won't call it every other Saturday, but like I said in the other part of the video, that I've already started work, but I said why not just carry you guys along so you could see how my Saturday is. Some of my Saturdays. Well, this toilet I'm cleaning, my husband calls it my personal toilet. Funny, right? Because nobody else uses this toilet, like nobody else. In fact, I'm so attached to this toilet that even if I'm upstairs and I want to ease myself, I still not use the toilet there. I still go and use this very toilet. Like, I'm so used to it. And well, I won't say this is, I don't wash other of the toilets in the house well this way, but this is also the way I wash this toilet that my husband calls my personal toilet. Like, I wash it with my hands, even inside the toilet, sponging it in and out. You could see it. It's just like a bedroom. Like, after I finish washing this toilet, you could literally carry your pillow and lay on this, like lay on the floor, like comfortably. Like, I'm not joking. But even if I don't wash it, it's still as neat as ever. But no matter how neat something is, you still have to be cleaning it out. You don't use because it's neat, then you don't leave it to be stuck with dirt forever till you're able to see dirt before you clean it. No, so this is what I do. I clean it, spongy, put my hands inside thoroughly and clean it. Yes, I also clean other toilets in the house this way, yes, but because most of the time when people are using it, I don't want to put my hands inside just this way. I use the toilet brush to of course thoroughly wash it just the same way I am doing now. But because this almost goes like my personal toilet, my husband calls it, I don't mind using my hands to put it inside. Before I start washing this toilet, I have other things I put inside it that can help dissolve or melt out stains or stubborn stains inside it before I start to wash it. I didn't show that part because it's going to take a lot of time. I put it inside, then I let it melt the dirt before I start sponging in and out of the toilet, which you guys can of course see right now. So after that, I go over to the sink area. I also sponge it. Before I start sponging this sink area, I also use a chemical on it, which will also dissolve any dirt. Before I also started sponging it with my sponge and my soap, whatever detergent you have. So washing toilets in the house even takes me a lot of time, compared to doing some other things in the house. Like, I bring up my time to clean that section. Like, I bring my time to clean it very, very well. If I see something not clear to me, I still spray something on it and continue to clean it. So guys, this is what you're seeing in this particular section. Yeah, so I just chill right now, and of course you guys could see other things I am doing with just a soft music. So chill.
If you wanna go, I'm down. 'Cause darling, we were made for bigger things. This place keeps killing our dreams.
Wait guys, so I am back again guys. You guys can't tell me you can't see what I did. Like, I am a wife material 1000 yards. Hey, you can't tell me this is what I just did guys. I saw the way, please don't mind Obi, he's shouting. You saw the way I actually bent down and washed the floor of that toilet. So you don't tell me that when you see this toilet sparkling, you won't know the reason why the toilet is sparkling. Yeah, maybe you're standing up and me, I bent down with a soft sponge to sponge the floor guys. You could see the way it was looking. Well, you won't be surprised, of course, the way I cleaned this toilet, the way I cleaned this. I'm sure you're not going to be surprised what you're going to see at the end of this video, what the toilet turned out to look like. Of course, yeah, some of you might say there's not much difference between how the toilet was and the way it is right now that I washed it. Yeah, like I said, the toilet is always clean, but still you still have to wash it guys. So you could see where I kept some of this detergent here when I want to use it, because of some of the time I leave this toilet stuff in the toilet, but I don't keep it in reach of her. Even the cupboard down, she opens it, so I literally carry everything up on that window, sometimes up at the upper space in the cupboard. Yeah, so guys, because these children are so smart, they are so smart. You won't know they know where stuffs are till you see them doing it. So I don't want story that touches the heart, so I just do the needful on time. So that is it guys. Actually, the noise in that background was so much, so that's why I decided to do voice over the video, because Z was playing, Obi was shouting. When Obi shouts and screams, it means he's also playing, so I couldn't let his noise interfere. So you could see the toilet right now sparkling and stuff like that. Yeah, so I was done in this section, so I was playing around a little bit. So I'll just leave you guys with the soft music to see the outcome, what this toilet turned out to be. I was finding it a little bit difficult to actually find a place to place this camera so you guys can see my laundry, what it looks like. So I was able to just find a particular very small side that I was able to place it, but I couldn't get the whole view of the laundry. Sorry guys. So this is just it. I just put the camera towards the washing machine and just show you guys a few things, just because like I said, I was finding it very difficult to place a camera where you could see my laundry and other things I was able to do. So sorry guys, sorry about that. So here I was actually explaining this very thing I just said here, that I was looking for a place to place the camera so you could see the whole of my laundry, but I couldn't see a place to of course fix it up. So that was what I was actually saying here. So guys, this is very Saturday. I think I was so much energetic, even though when I started this work I was like, I'm gonna just do what I have to do if I have strength. So but at the end of the day I was much energetic. You can see what I was doing outside. I was cleaning the floor outside because of some rain that just leave a little bit of dirt there, and my kids play outside there. Sometimes they pick up things and put in their mouth, so I was just cleaning it with a hard brush. It was fun anyways. Yes, like some Saturdays you're energetic, you just want to do so many things, while some Saturdays everything made a day where you did like you don't even have strength. That is just it. I usually scrub this place this way maybe once in a while, especially when the rain has really dealt with it. So but this method of scrubbing it, it's quite easy, just a long brush stick, and makes work so easy. Yeah, so guys, I'm actually done. Guys, easy, like easy. Easy. This baby's Obi Odo is downstairs now. Guys, I want to hear from you in the comment section. See, every day you have strength and motivated to do Saturday chores. I want to hear that in the comment section. Of course, yet another voice over video. My husband is doing a video call with his, with his crew, with his homies, and the noise there. Everybody bass voice. Whoa, so. I guys go over voice over, and I was saying something here, and that is just it, guys. Well, this is what my Saturday looks like, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was actually saying that Zeke also carries that one, so I try to keep it safe there anyways. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed my Saturday. Hope I didn't bore you else. Yeah, stay tuned, keep on watching, cause I am here with you guys. Yup. Subscribe to this channel if you have watched to this point and you've not subscribed. What is the problem? Just subscribe. Let's grow this family. Share, like, of course. Let's grow this family. Noni Nations.